Essential oil pest repellents work by masking host cues and irritating insect chemosensors, so they reduce pest activity without harsh toxins. For homeowners making a peppermint spray, use a ratio of about 20 to 30 drops of peppermint oil per 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of a mild surfactant like Castile soap to help the oil disperse. Shake before use and apply to baseboards, window frames, door thresholds, and outdoor entry points, reapplying after rain or heavy dew. For stronger formulations targeting mosquitoes or flies, blend clove oil containing eugenol at lower volumes because eugenol is potent and can irritate skin and eyes. Mix 5 to 10 drops of clove oil per 1 cup of carrier, such as fractionated coconut oil for spot treatments on clothing or fabric. Never apply neat to skin. Geraniol is another effective botanical active ingredient that can be diluted similarly to peppermint for area sprays and tends to have longer residual activity than simple single oils. When using commercial over-the-counter essential oil sprays, check active ingredient amounts and look for geraniol or high peppermint content to match DIY strength, and always follow label directions for reapplication intervals. Combine any repellent spray program with exclusion techniques like sealing cracks, fitting door sweeps, and repairing screens, because repellents reduce activity but do not eliminate breeding sites or food sources. Store homemade mixtures in dark glass bottles away from heat and light, label them with date and contents, and discard after about 1 week since emulsions separate and lose potency. 3 common mistakes are using too little surfactant so oils sit on top of water and provide poor coverage, relying solely on repellents without sealing entry points, and over-concentrating blends, which causes irritation to pets or people. To fix poor dispersion, always add 1 teaspoon of mild soap per cup, or use a small proportion of alcohol as a carrier and shake well before each use. To address reliance on repellents, pair sprays with physical exclusion like sealing gaps and reducing attractants such as standing water or food debris. To avoid irritation, start with lower dilution rates, test a small patch on fabric or skin, and keep essential oils away from young children, pregnant people, and sensitive pets. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking lower toxicity pest control ideas with local contractors who do that work, and with peers sharing hands-on tips. We host a discussion community where users exchange recipes, real-world results, and contractor recommendations so we can learn from each other.